What is good, Tesla family? It's Ray J back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the one and only Tesla stock and why I'm super bullish for the near term and long term futures. I'm also going to talk about the overall stock market and how this may affect Tesla, especially after what Elon Musk just said about it. I'm also going to talk about what on earth is going on with Tesla's quarterly production and deliveries report, as Tesla has proven so many people wrong. They have crushed it, they have absolutely killed it, and I believe they're going to continue to kill it after this new piece of news that just came out affecting the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas. I'm also going to talk about the latest tweets from Elon Musk that make me very bullish for the future of this company. Now, before I say anything about Elon Musk, before I talk about Tesla's technical analysis, the share price, I do have to mention some very important things first. First off, I'm not a financial planner, guys. This is all for educational and entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And not only benefits me, but benefits the entire Tesla community as a whole. And the last things, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below and in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to qualify for free real-time level 2 data for US stocks if you sign up with the link down below. So with that out of the way, guys, let's get on with the video. So look at this right here. Tesla's up 13.53% for the day. Let's go, guys. It's testing the level of resistance at around 1200. Once again, looking very, very bullish after the new reports that just came out. However, guys, let's look at the S&P too, as this can affect Tesla. Now, the market looks very bullish right now. The S&P is testing the 478 a dollar level of resistance, looking very, very strong. Now the S&P looks very bullish, very, very strong. And if you look at the fear and greed index, we're very, very greedy right now, right? We're at 68 out of 100 right now. Once again, more on the greedy side than the fearful side, looking very strong. However, guys, I do want to talk about something important that's coming out. That's the fact that there are indicators showing that some very interesting things could happen to the market in the upcoming months, because these are the same indicators that are flashing that flashed in 2000 and 2007. So I'm not trying to say that I'm guaranteeing anything like that, but I do want to let you guys know that there's a lot of margin debt right now, and the falling margin debt growth from high levels triggers a sell warning in the market. This is the same thing that happened in 2000 and 2007. So this is why people like Elon Musk are stating this right here. Let's make the roaring 20s happen. Now, what I'm trying to tell you guys is it's very possible that by mid 2022 we could see the start of a correction in the S&P. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up, guys, is because I believe Tesla is most likely going to be a hedge to the market. Now, not perfectly. I do think this thing could drop a little bit by then, but in the meantime, we're not there yet, which means this thing could continue to run up. But on top of that, guys, on top of that, I think it's going to be a hedge, at least to some large extent. I think that it's not going to crash horribly, and I think that they're going to continue to crush it because of a big catalyst out there, something that Tesla has that gives it a big advantage over other stocks, and that is its deliveries, its production, its numbers that make this thing very bullish. Now, let me first off show you guys the numbers first before I talk about the technical analysis. So look at this right here. This is on Tesla's official website, right? It's very credible and states this right here. Q4 of 2021. This is the last quarter of 2021. Production shows 305,000 deliveries, 308,000. Once again, absolutely crushing it. For 2021, their production was 930,000. Their deliveries were 936,000. Why is this significant? Look at this right here. This CNBC article states that Wall Street expected 267,000 for the fourth quarter, but they actually ended up doing 308,000 when it comes to deliveries. Once again, absolutely crushing expectations. Once again, proving Wall Street analysts wrong. Once again, showing people that this is not a dead company. They have the potential to absolutely run, and they're killing it. They're absolutely killing it, and they're, in my opinion, going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And this, in my opinion, is what gives this thing an edge over other stocks and what makes it a hedge to the market, in my opinion. Look at this right here. It was reported. It has been reported that the production at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas could begin in time for Christmas. Now, even though this article is a little bit old, I want to let you guys know something. We're getting closer and closer and closer to the Tesla Gigafactory opening up very soon. This is why a lot of people are anticipating that Elon Musk is about to announce something within a couple of days, if not weeks, and that is the start of production at the Austin Gigafactory. So I know this article was a little bit old and it wasn't 100% accurate. I know we're not necessarily there yet, but my point is we're getting closer and closer and closer, and people are expecting Elon Musk to be announcing something huge. My point is, this is why I believe we're not done running up for Tesla, guys. You guys can see this very, very good reversal that formed this W shape right here. But look at the chart over a longer period of time. We're going up and up and up, and we basically recovered after that big drop that happened when Elon Musk was selling, and he's on the verge of completing his selling cycle. So where is the share price going? I told you guys, if we broke past $1,103, this thing would easily begin to run. We did have some resistance at around the 1100, or I believe it's I'm sorry, 1173, right over there. And it turns out we broke past that, which means that the next level of resistance would be around the 1200 and the $1,243 ranges, which I think that's where we're going very soon, guys. In fact, I don't think we're going to stop there, guys. The chart looks very bullish, and it looks like we're about to break all-time highs once again. Now, let me show you many different indicators that are actually suggesting that. So look at this right here. Look at the MACD and the 9-day moving average. Once again, not only have they flipped, so to speak, but it's looking very, very bullish as the MACD is showing some divergence, right? That's showing that we have bullish momentum. We are trading above every single one of the exponential moving averages, and we're seeing a big spread right here. You guys can see how it's spreading out. That is a very good bullish indicator. The CCI is a little bit down a little bit, but that's not necessarily scary in my opinion, because it just shows that right before we started running up, it was a very, very high to begin with. Now, the RSI, look at the RSI, 77.95. Once again, a very good indicator for Tesla, showing that this thing has a lot of strength. It's ready to run up. And I do believe that very soon, within a couple of days, if not tomorrow, we're probably going to be testing the level of resistance at 1,243. And we're most likely going to be breaking that, guys. I think we're going to break it very soon. And I think all-time highs are coming. I think this thing is about to explode. Now, what do I mean by explode? Where do I see this thing going? Well, there are lots of people, a lot of experts out there that are saying they see Tesla going to 1400. So do I think we're going to do that? I think it's very possible that we could go as high as 1400. However, other analysts are saying 1800. This thing could run as high as 1800. But regardless, guys, we look really good. So when it comes to the market, is the market going to allow this? The answer is right now, the market looks very bullish and very greedy, which means that Tesla could continue to run up easily if they keep on crushing it with these numbers. Now, I can't wait for their Q1 earnings report that's coming out quite soon for, the Q4 earnings report, and not to mention the Q1 deliveries, the production, that's going to come out too quite soon by March. So what I'm saying is, very bullish catalysts are out there, especially this tweet right here, as Elon Musk is going to announce that it's most likely that he's going to announce the start of the Austin Gigafactory, some big announcements very soon. So why on earth am I telling you that I'm super bullish for Tesla? Well, the thing about a company is, yeah, the news does play a role. Elon Musk tweets do play a role, but a very big factor would be their numbers, their deliveries, their production. That's how many institutional investors look at this from a different perspective. Now, what does this mean for Tesla? This means that, look, they're killing it when it comes to deliveries, but they're not done yet. They are nowhere near done because they have new factories opening up in Berlin, in Texas. Big things are coming, and I think we're getting closer and closer and closer for them to unveil the start of production in Texas. That's going to be very huge. Why is that important? Because their numbers are going to continue to get better, in my opinion, and they're probably going to crush it time and time again based off this data, because the thing to remember is Tesla almost delivered a million cars. They almost did. They did like 936,000, but they almost did a million, despite the fact that in 2021 we had that semiconductor shortage. Despite the global chip shortage, guys, they still managed to do that. So imagine what's going to happen when we improve, when our economy starts to improve a little bit. Imagine what's going to happen to Tesla's numbers when we start improving from that situation. Could you imagine that, guys? I mean, I see them getting better and better and better. By next year, they may even deliver 2 million. I mean, if they do that, it's just going to be absolutely bullish and crazy. So I want to end this video now by just showing you guys this right here. Another person talked about the fact that, look, now in Switzerland, the number one car sold is the Tesla Model 3. That's absolutely phenomenal in my opinion. Elon Musk responded and said, yay, Switzerland. He's very, very bullish. Why am I telling you guys this? Because Tesla is not just delivering cars in China. They're not just big in America. They're getting bigger all over the world, including Switzerland. My point is they're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, in my opinion. And this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I repeat myself, because when we go back a couple of years, if we go, I'm sorry, in the future, in a couple of years, we're going to look back at the share price and think, wow, that was one hell of a deal. I believe this thing is going to the moon. And I'm very bullish. And based off my analysts, based off my numbers, I think that this thing is going to break 1400 in the next upcoming weeks, if not months, and it may even happen much sooner than a lot of people anticipate. So I'm very, very bullish. That's at the end of the day, I'm very bullish, and I'm very excited right now too. I just can't believe that they crushed it the way so many people were saying that they'd fail, that this is not going to happen, and they ended up doing it time and time again, guys. And I don't want to underestimate this company. So my price target is 1400 for the next upcoming weeks. So with that said, guys, I thank you so much for listening. I believe the fundamentals are there for this company, and I think they're going to get better and better and better as time progresses. I thank you. Have a great rest of the day, and Tesla's going to the moon. Peace out.